Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's something wild you probably didn't expect. At the end of August, a rule that's been around for nearly 100 years just disappeared, and it's messing with everything from your online shopping to global shipping routes. We're talking about tariffs. Not the big trade war headlines. I mean surprise charges landing on everyday orders, small businesses scrambling, and now a massive Supreme Court fight. And here's the kicker: if the government loses in court, they could owe up to $1 trillion in refunds. Yeah, trillion with a T. For decades, there was something called the de minimis exemption. If you bought something under $800 from overseas, no tariffs, no paperwork. It kept online shopping simple. But now, gone. Even small orders are getting hit with tariffs. A guy in New York ordered a $750 part for his vintage computer. The bill came back at $1,400 in tariffs. Another customer in California bought a $300 computer case from Sweden. He got slapped with $620 in duties. And a boutique in Florida paid a $1,000 tariff on a $600 handbag shipment. Overnight, international shipments to the US dropped 81%. Some countries even stopped shipping here because they couldn't process the new rules. Imagine ordering from Japan and getting told, "Sorry, we don't ship to the US anymore." So why did Trump's administration kill the exemption? The official reason: too much abuse. Counterfeits, narcotics, and shady imports were slipping in. They also say it protects American workers from unfair foreign competition. But here's the problem. 2 federal courts already ruled the administration may have overstepped its legal authority. Now it's heading to the Supreme Court. If the court rules against the government, refunds could hit $1 trillion. That would be the largest refund in US history. Businesses would have to dig through records, file claims, hire lawyers. It would be chaos. And companies are already being approached by firms offering to buy their refund rights, like selling off a lottery ticket. So what does this mean for you? That $20 gadget from overseas could suddenly cost $35 or $40. Small businesses relying on imports could go under. And the US economy? It's stuck between protecting jobs and crushing trade. If refunds happen, that's money straight out of government accounts, at a time when America's debt is already sky high. If refunds don't happen, consumers and businesses keep eating higher costs. Either way, someone's losing. Globally, foreign sellers are pulling out of the US market. Less variety, less competition, higher prices. When the world's biggest consumer market changes the rules overnight, the ripple effects are massive. So here's the bottom line: whether the Supreme Court rules for or against Trump, the fallout is huge. Either trillions refunded, or a permanent new normal of higher prices. And through all of this, trust is breaking down. People expect the price they see online to be the price they pay. Right now, that trust is gone. So if you're ordering from overseas, be ready for surprises. Check the fine print. And if you run a small business, maybe start looking closer to home. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think these tariffs are worth it to protect American jobs, even if it makes life more expensive? Or should trade stay open and costs low? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'll be reading them. And if you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, share this with a friend, and subscribe so you don't miss the next big update. Until then, keep an eye on your receipts.